Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite dances on piano. First, choose your favorite dance, like the floss or take the L, and listen to its music carefully. Pay close attention to the beat and the main tune. Next, search for piano sheet music or online tutorials for that specific dance. Many popular dances have arrangements available. Ensure your piano or keyboard is ready and you're seated comfortably, perhaps about 12 inches from the keys, with good posture. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth learning experience. Now let's dive into the rhythm and chords. Most Fortnite dance tunes are quite rhythmic, often featuring a 4/4 time signature. Start by identifying the primary beat and practice tapping it out. Then, find the underlying chords. Many dances use simple, repetitive progressions, perhaps just 2 or 3 chords. Use a metronome, beginning at a slow tempo, maybe 60 beats per minute, to ensure accuracy. Your left hand will typically handle these foundational chords, providing the harmonic structure for the dance. With the rhythm and chords in place, it's time to add the melody and flair. The right hand will usually carry the main tune, which is often catchy and memorable. Pay attention to any unique melodic phrases or syncopated rhythms that make the dance iconic. Practice playing the melody slowly, then gradually increase your speed. Once comfortable, try putting both hands together, ensuring a seamless flow between chords and melody. Don't forget to add some dynamic contrast, perhaps playing softer in some sections and louder in others, to truly bring the dance to life. Finally, let's talk about practice and performance. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice each day. Don't be afraid to record yourself playing. It's a fantastic way to spot mistakes and see how much you've improved over time. Once you feel confident, share your musical interpretation with friends or family. Performing for others can be incredibly motivating and help solidify your learning. Remember, the goal is to have fun translating those energetic Fortnite dances into a unique piano experience. Keep playing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.